Hello everyone, +2 here. We are doing 2025 Level 3 Algebra, question 2A and B today. A says, the complex numbers U and W are represented on the diagram below. If Z equals 2U plus 3W, find Z and clearly show it on the diagram above. So first we have to find what Z is and we have to locate it. First, so we have to read U and W. So U is what? 4 plus 2I, right? So you have to read real part first and then imaginary part, right? Same way, W is minus 2 minus 3I, right? So we plug them in. So Z equals 2 times U, which is 4 plus 2I, plus 3 times W, which is minus 2 minus 3I. When we expand that, A plus 4I, and then minus 6 minus 9I. Like terms, so real parts, A take away 6, which is 2, and imaginary part, which is minus 5I. So we have to locate this on the diagram. So 2 is there, right? And minus 5 is there. So that one there is Z. Okay. Yeah, that's the answer. Now question B. If U equals MCIS 3 pi over 10, write U to the power of 5 in the form A plus BI, so rectangular form, where A and B are both real numbers, giving your answer in terms of M. Okay, so use De Moivre theorem. U to the power of 5 becomes M to the power of 5 CIS 3 pi over 10 times by 5, isn't it? Right? So that is 2. So that becomes M to the power of 5 CIS 3 pi over 2. Then we have to change 3 pi over 2 as negative angular, because the rule is this. So that is a positive way and that way is a negative way. 3 pi over 2 is slightly more than pi, right? So it's over here. So instead of saying 3 pi over 2, you have to say minus. So 3 pi over 2 is, so pi take away 3 pi over 2, which is, 3 pi over 2 take away pi, so which is pi over 2, isn't it? So that much is pi over 2, which is right there. Yeah, 3 pi over 2. Yeah, that's a 270 degrees, isn't it? So that means you could say this is the same as M to the power of 5 CIS minus pi over 2. I will explain again. I wasn't sharp enough. So 3 pi over 2 is right there actually. So instead of saying 3 pi over 2, you could just say that's negative pi over 2, isn't it? Add up to 2 pi, right? So it's better you say negative pi over 2 than saying 3 pi over 2, right? So that is polar form, right? But we want rectangular form, A plus BI form. So to do that, you have to go like this. M to the power of 5 times by cosine minus pi over 2 plus I sine minus pi over 2. That's what it means. So we expand. First of all, cosine minus pi over 2. So let's draw a cosine graph. So say this is 0, right? So cosine start from here, right? And cosine minus pi over 2 must be 0, okay? Cosine 0 is 1, cosine minus pi over 2 is 0. So that is a 0. And sine graph goes like this, right? So sine minus pi over 2 is minus 1. So that becomes minus I, right? So that is minus m to the power of 5I should be the answer. So in this case, A is 0, B is minus m to the power of 5. All right, cool. I will see you next time. Bye.